Draken, fix roll. Stupid. What
Ay.
the fuck?
Okay, so
Sorry.
basically we're gonna practice first engage, second engage, and then full engage. Okay? When I say full engage, right? When I say full engage, it means everybody engages. Okay?
Yes.
So to is. Left tanks, you do your job properly, please. We don't have
Mali.
GAs, we don't have bedrocks, so make your defensives count. I need like proper disrupts. Okay?
Stupid yet. Not reminding me. Ay.
Nobody got Yan.
I reminded you, but you didn't change. It's stupid Draken.
Ano? Range comp ka? Sige. I'll cover for you. Ay, hindi. Gawin mo lang ako mid-shield. Okay lang.
Uy.
Uy,
Wait nga. Palit ako ng Bernard.
go. Huwag na, Drake. Okay.
Hindi, okay na yan, Drake. We're not gonna brawl.
Ay. Okay.
Naka-range kasi sila. Hindi sila pwede mag-front. Yun yung point. Kaya tayo yung mag-front talaga. Siyempre, tayo yung may Zerg.
Ano nga?
Mali
Drake,
talaga din.
parang di makaintindig.
Don't get me wrong, okay? Don't get me wrong. What I meant is that we'll be the front line. So basically,
Sepin Zap. You're wrong.
boy pa
Yung
pala.
nakaamoy. Nakaamoy na agad yung Musadis.
Ano ka mag-candidate ka rin?
Grabe naman tong chinglos na to. 7M yung gamit niya.
Pandingan nyo nga yung pandingan nyo yung HO ng pandingan nyo yung HO ng Immortals. Basagin to. Dali.
Chen. Kano Chen?
Ang baga natin.
Yan, magkano ba yan mo ngayon?
Ayos sumagot si Chief.
Magkano ba bentahan mo ngayon dyan?
Anong how?
How much?
We can kick them out in like 2 days only.
Okay.
How much?
Mas maganda pag nakauna tayo sa castle. Sige lang.
Ilan ba yung mo? Hawak mo ngayon dyan. Pakyawin ko yan.
Hindi na.
Yan ba yan, Chen?
Thanks, I need you to scout for Wishing Star, please.
50M na lang. Pwede na yung bumili mamot si Chen. Sabi niya sa akin.
Yung one 70.
Yaman ni Chen, no? 140M resources.
Ay.
Yaman.
Ikaw ba naman ang nagagada?
Ako'y mayaman.
Puro, ikaw ba naman lagi T7?
Kaya nga. Kaya umalis yung TFT dyan. Ano yun?
T7.
Kaya umalis yung TFT sa God. Sinubos na dyan yung resources.
Targets bandal kay Chen.
May kasalanan.
Malanan mo lahat yun.
Are you guys low loading? Why is it that you can't keep up with the front?
Hindi niya tinitirahan ng resources yung mga tinan.
Malaglag yung laptop.
Sige. Hindi yan.
Ha? Masagot ka pa.
Hindi load yun Orias. Pagod lang yung mga mounts namin.
Sila.
Don't southwest here. Keep coming.
Problema.
We need to be in the castle as fast as southeast of the castle, boys. Start hammering.
Sa live.
Grabe itong mga chinglos na to. Cheap. Grabe yung suotan yan eh.
Hammer please, hammer please, hammer please, hammer please. Why am I the only guy hammering here?
Meadow.
High Stone Meadow.
If you let Texas die.
Diyos pumalon. Oo.
Kinaulanan na kagad ng chinglos.
Clear the guards inside. Hammer, hammer, hammer. To those who have hammer, focus hammering. Kill the guys hammering, kill the guys hammering.
Ano dito sa taas na ng paya?
Same thing, pares lang. Focus hammering please. On this guard, 3, 2, 1. Right, bring all the guards, bring all the guards. Come. Bring all the guards. Kill the guards inside, kill the guards inside. Kill some doubles. Inside. 3, 2, 1. Rapid. Castle Lord. Kill the Castle Lord. Hindi, Immortals yung dun. Yung Wishing Star, taga MLP yun. Malayo daw kasi yung ano. Wait lang. Yo, can somebody... Leah, can you chat, Orion hit? Plato na daw sila.
Ay.
Ay.
Centurion.
Ay, tolol.
Oy, ate, tampal po.
Pepe.
Iya. Un Centurion.
Uy,
Seryoso,
yun.
yung mga safe spots, di pa.
Di pa, turo mo.
Oh no. Wait lang.
Healers and supports, I don't want you standing over the walls and on the chokes, okay? Please do off angles, but don't, the off angle on, come, everybody comes out east.
Battle map nila. So. Ay.
Look, come southeast here. Everybody, look. First gate, okay, off angle is here. You see the guards here, where the crown is? This is the off angle for castles, okay? West and northeast here. Right? All you need to do is look at the reds. If they have bomb squads, you need to look at the reds southeast, right? That's all you need to look at for. Okay? There's a space between, okay? Come northwest now. Everybody come northwest. Come west. Dismount here. Dismount on the ground. Come west. Inside. Lag check kami. We do lag check inside now.
They are in vacuum now.
Inside of us in 3, 2, 1. Drop all of your east. Good job. Alright, we chill for now. Where are they?
Vacuum.
Ground, field?
Plateau.
Plateau.
Plato.
Plateau.
Defensive sounds, don't get organized. Don't get organized.
Wow, Rosa. Strong spelling.
Looking.
Luto.
Asset mukhang buto.
Ay.
Nandito na sa na yan.
There. Andito na.
Ay.
Every lab check inside of us in 3, 2, 1. Inside. Drop all your ease.
It can be 18.
Ha?
18 DA.
8. Where are they going? Southwest side?
Southwest side. They're on the south.
Southwest side. Come southwest side. Food check only. Come southwest. Ready. Tell me if they're smashing, okay?
Wala pa.
Yung Mooncrat DS yan, ha? Where are they?
Going south.
Come southeast, walk with me.
DPS safe spot is by this banner, ah.
They're on the, southeast. They're on the,
I think the smashing.
Yeah. Everybody, click the gate. We're gonna engage. Everybody, ready? Wait. Southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Full engage. Come back fast. Locus now. Yeah. OC. Brim. Be careful. Heal. Ready. Yo, tanks. Try to hold them. Yo, angle north, boys. Angle north. Ready. First party. Southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Blow this up. Good job. Wait. Second party. Southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Come back. Defense. Good defense. Ready. First party. Southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. First party. Yo, hold the choke now. Second party. Southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast again. Come north. Give me locus now. Defense front. Heal my front. I know. Tanks hold them here. Nice defense. Oh, alam ko. Southeast deep in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Southeast deep now. Southeast deep. Second party. Come. All of your east. Ang ina, tinapos mo agad. All of your east. Come southeast. Come south. All of your east. Southwest. Come southwest. Everybody, come walk southwest. Kiting sila. Come southeast. All of your east. Tanks hold them now. Ready, be careful. They might turn. Southeast in 5. Southeast in 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Give it damage here. Yo, spread now. Give it defense. Heels front. Nagit ako. Come northwest. South my front. Patch boys. Come northwest. Heels front. Come southeast, boys. Come southeast. Listen to me. Come southeast. We do one engage. Keep coming southeast. Walk in. Spread east. Wrapping east ako. Come northeast. Ready, east side. Hold them east in 5. Wait. We're gonna absorb. Defense. East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the bounce pad now. Hit this. Wipe. Come east. Push east. Break east, boys. Break east. Spread on the east. East now. I need heals on the east. Heels front. Be careful my west. Keep moving east. Bounce pad to, pinupush ko. Come east.
west.
Come east. Yo, full engage east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. Wipe this. Yeah. Come southwest. Stop the southwest. Yo, rap north, boys. Listen, rap north. Rap north. Yeah. Rap north. Finish kills here. Come west, boys. Tanks north. To those there, you're gonna come back. Come. Push them. Walk in. Stay spread. Yeah. Ready. Defense. Yo, backline. Walk on the backline. Fake engage now. Ready, inside in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the bus. Blow this up. Finish kills. Yo, wait. Stabilize ako west. Tanks, be careful. Zap. You're too deep. Be careful, be careful. Houston Hachi. So those are there. You're gonna come back fast. You're gonna come back fast. Ready, north in 5, 4, 3, shallow, 2, 1. North shallow now, 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 north shallow now. Come back southwest, spread southwest. Spread southwest, spread southwest. Come northeast, come northeast, come northeast, come northeast. Come northeast, come northeast, come northeast. Ready. East, all of your east, whatever you have. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Give me damage here, give me damage here. Come back west. Defense. Heels up. Drop your Judies, boys. Drop your Judies, man. Drop your Judies. Gusto ko, they're guiding us, ha? Come northeast. Come back southwest. Stabilize ako. Come back southwest. Those there, you're gonna come back. Come west now.
Yung fight, boss.
Yeah. Come west. Meadow. Ready. Over. Wait. Hold now. Repo tayo, west. Come west, boys. Come west. We're gonna turn shallow on distance in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On distance now. On distance. Good job. Yo, peel now. Defense. Good defense, boys. Walk into them. Dance hold them deep. We're gonna engage deep. 10 seconds, we're gonna engage. Yeah, go deep. Yo. Everybody look south. Defense south. South now in 5. South in 4. West in 3, 2, 1. West now. Anything we can give. Good job. Finish the kills. Spread again north. Defense north. Come. Heels front. Wrap west, boys. If you're low, you wrap west. Wrap west, boys. Ready inside. East in 5. East in 4, 3, wait. 2, fake engage little, fake engage, east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Defense. I died. Little take over. Push west. Namatay ako. Coming back. Come west. Go west. Move west. So those are there, you're fast, please, boys.
Keep moving west.
Tanks, I don't see these rocks there, Tanks. What's happening?
Keep moving west, guys. Spread. Then, alis ka na, mampat ka na.
You can go back to the castle. I'm coming back. Dami nalagay sa'yo. Sige. I'm coming back.
Oy, Rakin!
Ang daming namamatay, ba't ganun?
They don't want to spread. After an engage, you need to spread, boys. Fucking spread. Death Tanks, I need you to disrupt people. You guys are holding, some of the guys are dropping their skills inside, where there's 2, 3 people only. Look for their DPS, boys. Those are the guys that you want to stop, not the Death Tanks. Don't stop their Death Tanks. You stop their DPS.
If you're too deep, guys, start to heal.
Pumaligtad pa yun.
Daming ng clump.
Meron.
16 day pa sila. Aliya. Day.
Yo, Immortals are catching. Be careful here. Be careful, Immortals are catching. Go west. When you're in Valley, you go west.
High Stone Meadow, yan, di ba? Daming namamatay, ang dami din nagre-recruit.
Wala na ito.
Tapos na ba?
Balik
No.
pa ba kayo?
You're going back. Go back.
So, lipasil.
They're in castle.
Yeah.
Nakawan ng miss.
Namatay ko.
Yes, nila yung Ragier.
Ano?
Hinaharangan nila yung
Yeah.
Orions gonna die.
Get out, get out, get out.
The riggers are very fast.
Ano ka ba?
Orions, done in.
Nahuli si Orions.
Come back. To those who are with me, come back. Come back. Come back.
Sino sa meadow?
Little wag.
Sige lang.
Ilan kayo dyan? How many on... Yeah, I'm gonna siege it. Round 2 daw.
Nag-zone in ka, ano? Sino yun? Ulit na itong
Naka-zone lang.
May mga ano pa ba? May mga riggers pa ba dun? How many died?
Orions lang.
Party to 4.
Apat na rin dagas sa
41 you have.
Ewe, go.
In the zone.
Tamas.
Vale. Can we regroup in edge?
Na itong immortals na to.